Hey guys, welcome back to Arry the Stag. TR Tony here, sat in the passenger seat with young Arry himself.
Morning all.
At the controls of the Mitzi. So bombing down to Alan's today, and we've got a little bit of a surprise for you coming up. We've been quite industrious over the kind of December period, Harry, haven't we?
A little bit.
A little bit, and we have a surprise. I will say no more than that. Follow us down to Alan's and we will show you. A bright, sunny December day. Arry the Stag. It's been raining a bit, as you can see. All right, Bush?
All right.
All right, Arry, here we are at Alan's, and the surprise is just over our shoulder. You know how Alan loves his Triumph 2000s. Well, here's our surprise. Looks like it's got a bit of a flat tyre now too, but the Triumph 2.5S is the car that we've recently purchased and will be dovetailing in behind the UNY 49M's rebuild. So here it is, 1977 November, S Reg, XLD 515S, and the slight problem with it is it hasn't actually got an engine. So we have that separately coming. Interior looks very nice. Just show you inside. I think it's all open up, and there we are. Lovely 2.5 badged steering hub and all the instruments there. The interior looks really tidy, apart from the obvious bit of damage here and there, but otherwise a very up to date car. It's a carmine red and beige interior, and gonna come in behind the project with UNY 49M once that's back to our place for rebuild. So Alan's going to do his magic on this and bring it all up to scratch. So there you go, there's our exciting news, and hope you like it. We love it.
Now, while the interior doesn't look too bad, obviously we'll put new carpets in and whatever, the exterior requires quite a shopping list of spare parts, including 2 arch repairs, front lower valance, some inner sills, some near side floor panels, and likely a driver's door and a boot replacement as well, with a rear valance too. So we have our work cut out, but nevertheless some good opportunity for you to use the car.
Isn't possible to graft on.
So this one's, see, that's what obviously is happening in the Stag as well. You get like condensation, so a little ecosystem going, don't you? Yeah.
Yeah, it's a totally different setup.
Yeah, it is. Yeah. Okay.
Very similar.
Similar design, just bigger, isn't it?
Yeah.
Actually, there was a point. Will that fit in my car if I pick it up from? You reckon?
Yeah.
I might measure it actually, just to measure.
It would be.
Well, I'm going in.
Boot needs a little bit of care and attention, and a new boot to come. So that's, but you know, it's a solid car. It's all there, which is good. Looks like it's had a bit of TLC in the past with the Triumph Sport 6 Club, and then inside, all open, looking. Again, it's a complete car, so we're very pleased with that. Alan's had a quick look at it. It's an automatic, as you can see. No engine in there at the moment, but as I said earlier, we've got a engine and gearbox coming, so that's excellent. And a petrol injection motor, so very pleased with what we've done. And as we said, this will be the next project after UNY is finished, and we've got to strip it out now, Harry, haven't we?
At some point, yeah.
At some point. So interior out and dashboard out, really just so Alan can get in around the front. And the tough bits are just under the wings here. So we've got quite a bit of rust and rot, as you can see in here, that needs to be done. So we found a guy in Cardiff, I think he is, who's got panels for these. And so we're going to put together a bit of a shopping list to make sure that this car gets to see another few years on the road. So that's been our good news. Very, very excited. XLD 515S. Welcome to Arry the Stag. Alright guys, so really good to see the new Project 2.5S, Triumph 2.5S, 1977. So excited. You excited, Harry?
Well, yeah, we've got to finish the first one first.
No, this is true. We must get over eager. We will be getting parts for it and more panels for it and bits and pieces. But watch this space. And you're right, Harry. We'll get the UNY 49M back home and starting to go back together. Before then, we turn our attention to the 2.5. But carmine red, biscuit interior, can't go wrong. I don't think. Petrol injection engine with us as well. So
Works.
yeah, works. Watch this space. Very, very excited. Okay, guys. Well, thanks for watching. Keep in touch. Have a great new year wherever you are, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you online on Arry the Stag
Very soon.
very soon. Pardon the sleeping policeman. All the best. Cheers for now. Happy New Year.